Corporate marketing, two or more farmers working together to meet their mutual economic, social, and cultural needs. Two or more farmers working together to meet their mutual economic, social, and cultural needs. So, Rabali, the cooperative principles, what are those? Membership is voluntary. That's number one. Number two, democratic member control. Number three, education and training. Okay. Types of cooperatives, we have agricultural cooperatives. Again, number two, we have service cooperatives. Number three, we have consumer cooperatives. And number one, we have agricultural. Yeah, it's supposed to be agricultural cooperatives. I did say mistake here. Agricultural cooperatives. Yeah. Number two, service cooperatives. Number three, consumer cooperatives.